Once upon a time in a quaint seaside village, there lived a young fisherman named Max. He was an avid angler, known for his patience and persistence in the pursuit of the biggest catch. But despite his best efforts, he had never managed to reel in the legendary Goldfin, a colossal and elusive fish rumored to bring great fortune to anyone who caught it. One bright morning, Max set out on his small fishing boat, determined to try his luck once more. He cast his line into the sparkling sea and waited, as he had done countless times before. Hours turned into days, and Max's determination was put to the test. On the third day, as the sun began to set, Max felt a tremendous pull on his line. His heart raced with excitement, for he knew this could be the moment he had waited for. He wrestled with the powerful force beneath the waves, his muscles straining as he fought to bring the fish to the surface. Finally, with a mighty heave, Max reeled in the Goldfin, a gleaming giant of a fish. It shimmered like molten gold in the fading sunlight. Overjoyed, Max couldn't believe his luck, but as he held the Goldfin in his hands, he noticed a message etched into its scales. It read, "Max, you have found what you sought, but remember, true wealth is not in the gold you catch but in the experiences and knowledge gained along the way." Max released the Goldfin back into the sea, watching it swim away into the depths. He realized that while the fish might have brought material riches, the real treasure was in the lessons he had learned during his journey: patience, persistence, and the joy of the chase. Max returned to the village, wiser and more content. He shared his story with the other villagers, inspiring them to value the journey and the lessons learned as much as the final destination. The parable of Max and the Goldfin served as a reminder that true wealth was not always measured in gold but in the experiences, knowledge, and wisdom gained along life's